The verdict is in, and so the fates of St. Croix District Board members Dodson James, Lisa Harris Moorhead, Anita Davila, and Carmen Golden have been decided. They won't be recalled.
We, respect and the rights of the voting public, the electors, to recall public officials, and we are pleased that that issue has been clarified not only for today, but for the days ahead in the future.
In January, concerned residents calling themselves the VI Action Group set the wheels in motion to recall St. Croix election board save one, Adelbert Bryan. Election Supervisor John Abramson Jr. and staff certified the results in March and announced that based on the petitioner's calculations, there were enough signatures collected to recall James, Moorhead, Davila, and Golden. In April, the board voted and disagreed, so the VI Action Group took them to court. After dozens of motions, the two issues left for Judge Lewis to clear up were: one, the dispute over the number of signatures required to trigger a recall election as set out by the revised Organic Act, and two, figuring out which general election to go by. The judge cited a 1979 Arizona case that presented a similar circumstance and found the best formula that justifies Section 12C of the revised Organic Act that says to get signatures equal to 50% of the whole number of the votes cast for that office, meaning the office of the elections board and not the individual. The four seeking to be recalled were elected in 2008, but Judge Lewis's opinion said the statute refers to the last general election in which that office was filled, which was 2010. The court said if the 2008 results were used, there would have been enough signatures to meet the almost 9,000 results. Using the 2010 election results, the court says there weren't sufficient signatures to meet the more than 11,000 signatures needed to trigger the recall. Erica Parsons, News 2.